What's up, gang? GNC RC back once again. It's a real late night. Been busy all day. It's my Saturday. Didn't work today, but I've been busy doing everything else. So today I want to get into, well, I'm gonna say this morning I'm gonna get into an unboxing of a few things that I have. First thing first, I'm gonna get into this. This is from BlackSmith RC. Guys, make sure you go over and check out his channel. This just came in the mail. I wasn't expecting this. I don't know what it is. I can kind of feel it, so I have an idea. I am a member of his official team, but you guys make sure you go over and you check out his channel. Make sure you let him know GNC RC sent you. What do we have here? All right. Used to be in the speed run gang, guys, a long time ago, and this is one of the things that we used to do. All right, it says, "Hi guys, thank you for believing in my idea. Midwid, that means make it do what it does, make it do what it do. With the combined knowledge and love for the hobby, I know we can leave much for the future. RC enthusiasts, yes, we come from all different types of backgrounds, but the love of the hobby has brought us all together." I say that all the time, definitely. I wish you guys the best in your RC hobby and in life always. Make it do what it do. Sincerely, Dre Smith. Let's see what else we have here. Thanks, Dre. There we go. Team Midwid. That means make it do what it do. So when we were racing, we would make it do what it do. Whatever speed we hit is the speed we hit, guys. I'm gonna say I was doing this about 5-6 years ago, and my top speed was 104. That was with a Traxxas 4-wheel drive, low center of gravity slash. All right, so this next package, it comes from Amazon. I think I remember what this is. All right, so guys, these are more weights. You can never have too many of these. I want to say I paid like maybe $5 for these. I'm not gonna open them. Let's see if we can get them open. I'll get you guys some, make sure you check out my Instagram page also. I'll get you guys some weights on Instagram. I'll put you some still shots, weight. Well, I'm not gonna wrestle these, but you guys know what these look like. These are diff covers. I got 2 packs of these. I want to say they were like $5 at the time. Can never have too many. So next up is, this is from Mark Twain Hobbies. I can't remember what it was, but it has to be something that has something to do with one of my bills. Yeah, it does. So this is a front axle, because I am building, I got a couple bills, and I'm gonna make a 4-wheel steer in my next bill. I think in my next bill, not sure yet, but I am gonna be doing 4-wheel steering on one of my vehicles. So next up, this is from a place I love. I know this is what this is. This is from Mofo RC. And we have this is the servo mount. I've been slow, guys, putting my servo in my Jeep. Now this is the Mofo servo mount, and this particular one is brass that's been painted, if I'm not mistaken. So it has quite a bit of weight to it. I have weight on that also on my Instagram page. So guys, make sure you go over and check that out. More stickers and whatever else hardware we need to mount this servo. And I do have a, can't remember the servo. It's the common when everybody get the Emax. And we also have an additional battery which I will be throwing this on charger pretty soon, along with my other batteries, because we are going to crawl tomorrow. This is just your regular 2-cell, 450 milliamp. All right, guys, up next, we got a package from Amazon. Another package from Amazon. We're going to open this thing up. You guys got an idea what this might be? Yeah, I did it again. So this particular one, I am in love with the Deadbolt. I've seen those crawl and out of the box. They seem like they are the best out of the box crawling. So I had to grab another one of these. I am not sure if I'm gonna keep that body, but I do know I'm gonna take all the electronics out. So if any of you guys gonna need an ESC/receiver, let me know. I'm gonna probably sell the wheels again. I'm not really sure about the body, like I said, but I may do the wheels and the body, because I am gonna probably I might keep it in this form. I don't know with this body, but I do know I am going to, I got a build coming up. So I may have to use it, may not use it. I'm not really sure. But I went ahead and grabbed another one of these. This got here, I had this about, I guess, 3 days now. All right, guys, we got one more thing. This is gonna be the last for today. Got an idea what this may be? Excited about this also. We got another Deadbolt. The reason why I bought this is because these are 104 right now, I think 105, something like that. I'm gonna put a link in my description to these if they're still that same price. 109 maybe, something like that, but I know they're cheaper than the red one. These are the cheapest ones you can get right now. And the way I look at it is I probably got enough parts to almost build another one, besides the axle and a couple other parts. But with this particular model, with the price associated with it, I can pull the body off. I can pull the ESC/receiver, the radio, the wheels and tires, and I can get some of my money back out of it, and I can use this for my actual build. Probably gonna keep this one in the stock form, well, with the body for now, until I get ready to switch it up. And this is gonna probably be one that I use to finish one of my projects that I'm working on, that I'll have some more information on pretty soon for you guys. Most guys have seen it. I'll put that link in the description right now. It's another unboxing, so you'll know what it is that I'm actually going to build, for the guys that don't know. But until next time, guys, thanks for joining us. Also, guys, make sure you go over and check out Jay's RC Expedition. He's a real cool guy. He has a whole bunch of, man, you guys should see some. I talk to him all the time. You should see some of the stuff he builds, stuff that he hadn't even brought to the channel. The guy has a whole lot of knowledge on custom stuff, from scratch built stuff, from styrene. You just have to check out his channel. Make sure you check out Jay's RC Expedition. I think I got that right. Don't beat me up, Jay, if I got it wrong, but it's Jay's RC Expedition. I'm gonna put a link to his channel in the video also. Till next time, guys, this is GNC RC.